Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now if you have watched my previous video, I have bought this from the dump bin. They are selling it at half price. Yeah, they are selling it at 2 for the price of 1, which means half price. So I paid only 5 ringgit 45 cent each. That means around €1 10 cent. These are all old case. Audi RS6 Avant, the Fast and Furious cartoon rally Baja crawler, 2015 Mercedes AMG GT, and the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. This I have to modify. I show you later. So is this and the Ford Mustang. This one comes in full deco, so I don't have to do any modification, which means I'm going to open this first. Bear with me, I have to do this properly. There is the card. Nice. What do we call this? Lime green. And this is the car. The wheels has a red sidewall. Interior, nice green, lime green paint. Front deco and lights. Now that is the problem when Hot Wheels does the lights. Sometimes it's a bit asymmetrical, a bit off. So this is good. And if you have seen the hunting video, there is a lot of this. I think 10 of this. So it's a pack warmer. I don't know why nobody likes it. Nobody likes this. It's a Mercedes. It's a hatchback. So next I'm going to open is this Spy Racer Fast and Furious. I haven't watched the cartoon before. Maybe I should YouTube the video and see. Why I buy this model? Because it looks like a pickup truck, heavily modified pickup truck. Okay. This is the box. I suppose this is the driver. And this is the truck. I have to get my spectacles because we have to do some details like the headlights. No headlights. Add headlights. Yes. You see on this side I've just added, this side I haven't added. Look at the difference. We need headlights. Ooh, one thing that I don't like, the whole car is plastic. The whole car is it plastic or diecast? No, it's diecast. The chassis is plastic and is glittering. So this part is diecast, this part is plastic again. No provision for rear lights. So this is a pickup truck, as you can see, modified with the bar here and the, I don't know, roof rack on top with the exhaust on the side. Very nice. No interior, however. So let's see. Okay, next is this Audi RS6. Another problem, you see this door pillar. Door pillar is a window fused into the window piece. And it's transparent. Okay. Audi RS6 Avant. Avant means I don't know, does it mean station wagon in Germany? Anybody who understands German, please tell me. Nice red station wagon. You see what I mean with the pillar? Front lights and grille is there with the Audi logo. Rear lights, even though the car is red color, they managed to do it, so that is good. Now, how to do? First, I have to use silver. No, it is too difficult. I might smear, so I have to mask the car so that I don't smear. Okay. Let's try. You people might be asking why I painted silver instead of black like in the picture. If I start with black, it wouldn't show. And I have no intention of painting black. I want to paint the pillar red. If you smear a bit, scrape it off. Hang on. Now comes the red color. If I smear red color on the red body, it wouldn't show. So this is it. I have pillars now. The other side, masking tape is very useful. Okay, where is my silver? It's a lot of work. Okay, silver. But it includes this part. Yes. And red color. some excess color of the silver. Now a lot of you might think this is not necessary. Or you can just use red stickers. Using red stickers will be less risky of smearing the paint. Now it looks better with the pillars. And if I want it black, I'll just use a black marker pen to go over it. But I think I'll leave it red. Okay, what's next? Next is this Formula Drift, which if I don't think I want to open it, if I do open it, I will need to do the front lights and the rear lights, because there is none. I don't know why the wheels have to be different in a drift car. Any drift expert? Tell me. Formula Drift livery is very nice. FD it says on the front. So I hope you like this detailing video and review of what I have bought at half price from the dump bin. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to support my channel if you have not already done so. See you next time. Bye.